How to duplicate or copy layers in Photoshop. There are a few different ways to duplicate or copy layer in Photoshop. Let's explore all of them. Go to your layer panel and select the layer that you want to duplicate. Click on the layer menu and click on duplicate layer. So you'll see a dialog box that will ask you to rename it. Let's rename it as a duplicate and click on OK, and you'll see a duplicated layer which is overlapped over the original layer. You can just drag with your mouse and you will see the duplicated layer. Now let's try another method. It's quite similar. Just go over the layer and right click and you'll see duplicate layer. You can click it and the process is all same. Now let's try third method with the shortcut key. Just select the layer and Ctrl J to duplicate or copy the layer, or you can do Command J for your Mac. So you can see it again by dragging the layer, so you can see the copied layer. You can also duplicate layer by clicking and dragging to the create new layer icon, and you can see the duplicated layer or just overlapped over your original layer. So you can see it again by dragging, moving aside. Now this is one of my favorite method. This is how I duplicate. Just click on the move tool and press and hold Alt key or Option on your Mac, and with the mouse drag it so that you can move and copy layer to the place you want to. And you can do the same thing with Shift and Alt key to copy it and align the layers. So this is how you can duplicate layer on Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to us for the content like this.